This video is about the nuclear atom. So the keywords in the question is the value given of the isotopes and their relative abundance. And the question is asking us to find the relative atomic mass. So the concept of this question is how to calculate relative atomic mass. If we were to look at a periodic table, we can see that the relative atomic mass of most of the elements are in decimal places. This is because the mass number is actually the average of naturally occurring isotopes. So let's take chlorine as an example. Chlorine naturally occurs as chloride 35 and chloride 37. So in one sample, there is 75% of chloride 35 and 25% of chloride 37. So to calculate relative atomic mass, let's abbreviate that as RAM. And first, we need to assume there's 100 parts, as it will be easier to work with when we have a percentage. So we would take mass times the relative abundance of each isotope and add them all together. So here we have 35 from the mass of chlorine 35 times 75% plus 37 times 25, and we divide that by 100. And we would get the relative atomic mass. So our answer for this example is 35.5. Going back to the question, we can do the same calculation as we did in the example, and we would get an answer of 35.35. And so our final answer is B.